Welcome to the Dissection Lab. In this experience, you will be able to choose from a variety of animals, review their anatomical features and perform dissections. Proceed to one of the columns in the room and choose an animal to get started. Before we get started, please put on your safety goggles and your gloves. Today you chose to dissect a perch. Now let's examine the internal anatomy of the perch. Pick up your scissors. Begin at the opening of the mouth and make a lateral incision along the ventral midline of the perch, between the pelvic fin down to the anal fin. Follow the dotted. Next, make a transverse cut up. You will be cutting through the semi-soft ribs of the fish since they curve around the lateral side of the fish. Now make another transverse incision from under the. Continue cutting. Make another Now that we have made our incisions, put your scissors down. Lift the skin muscles and bones that surround the body cavity. You will notice connective tissue holding the skin, muscles and bones to the underlying organs. Pick up and use your scalpel and cut along the dotted lines. Now you can remove and place the body wall into the tray. Put your scalpel back down and grab your scissors. One final. Place it in the tray.